welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, the schools have closed, and Haley is still at school. And I have with me here Amani, and let them say hi to you guys. Say hi to the people. Hi. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Amani, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, we are here. This is what we want to make for supper. Like, I want to make cabbage and rice. Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to undo my hair. Yeah. So guys, I think I'm really stressed out. Like, staying at home is not something that I really enjoy unless I'm tired, I've been working. But staying at home, as much as I'm raising my small baby, I don't like staying at home, guys. It's depressing. I don't want to say that I have the spirit of depression, but I don't like staying at home. It makes me feel so sick. And also life is a bit tough when you're at home. And you guys know, like, now I'm a mom of 5. Yeah, I know my husband supports me where he can, but like, I had my own business. I had to, like, leave it fast so that I can concentrate on raising the baby. Yeah, so maybe like 3 or 4 months, that's how I am going to be staying at home. But it's really depressing me because I'm used to a certain kind of life where, like, I can eat anything I want, enjoy, I can travel, I can do this and that. Now I have to stay at home and eat whatever I'm provided for, which I appreciate it, but I'm really stressed out, guys. I'm stressed out. And if you're here, you want to judge me, don't judge me. This platform, I've built it for people who, like, we are honest and open to each other, where I share real life experiences. If you're a mom and you're raising a child and you were used to, like, making your own money, and now you have to stay at home to be provided for, even if it's a good thing, but sometimes it's never that enough. Yeah, so I'm really stressed out. I'm making cabbage, spinach, and rice today. Yeah, just pray for me. If you want to support me, please make sure to watch my ads. Watch my ads, guys, so that at least when you watch these videos, I can be able to get paid. Yeah, so support me. Even my views are so low. I don't know when I'm going to receive my next paycheck. Maybe it's not next month, but the other month. So if you watch my videos, please make sure to watch my ads and support me in one way or another. Even my number is in the description box. You can support me in one way or another. You can buy skincare products from me, or you inquire, and I'll give you, like, the feedback. I'll appreciate it so much. So let me start cooking. I hope that one day I'm gonna look back. Guy, Amani is bringing the baby. Bring the baby. She's crying.
Yes.
Wow, 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 wow. Let me pick the baby first. I hope one day I'm gonna look back and say that the choices that I made were, sorry for that, were just the correct choices. Because every choice that you make, especially like if you have already hit 30 years right now, it's going to affect like your future life. So I hope that one day I'm gonna look back and just say that I made the right choice. Mwah. Yeah, because like right now, the schools have closed. My mom would have wanted the kids to go and be with her, but you see in the village, like my mom has no bed, so it's not appropriate if I take them there like to go and spend the holiday, because where are they going to sleep? And my mom is also not feeling well, so I wish she was feeling well. She could also help me out at least, because she used to help me out. She used to take Haley and Amani when they were little, and then I would have enough time with my hubby to just, yeah, relax, and she would enjoy spending time with her grandkids. Yeah, so I don't know, guys. Please comment something sweet and let me know. I just hope one day I'll be able to build for her a house. The baby wants to feed. Let me feed her and then I'll talk to you later. I think the cabbage is ready. I want to cut it.
Chukita, Mamita, enough is enough, guys. Enough is enough. What do you mean? I did a vow with children. That you found your man and you were ready.
Silas,
Yes.
you want to help me cook?
Yes.
He's the one who's mixing here. I've been seeing these videos of Chinese kids. They're learning how to cook, to do fashion and here and there. Yeah, so when he helps out like in mixing, I don't have a problem. Only that I don't allow him to cook. Yeah, so guys, I'm watching this the bar was solo challenge, and yo, those things they are saying. Anyway, let me not say mine, cause yo, maybe I will start crying here. Yeah, so we are cooking right now. People are hungry. Yeah, let's show them cabbage. I want to mix it here. Unafanya nini?
Unless you should leave him.
Usizitupe nje. Are you enjoying your food?
Yes.
Okay, let's eat. We thank God for today, right? So this is how they are enjoying their food. Titoi, you're eating. Yeah, so they're eating while watching TV. And the baby is asleep. So yeah, I'm enjoying my food.